Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time you're tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Always appreciate the support. Today, guys, I got a knife in the mail here at the house from eBay. I bought the other day, and notice the knife I'm using is the Swiss Tech Werdig. I'm trying to use it every day just to get familiar with it. You see, it's pretty dang sharp. Remember, guys, I'm going to be giving you a full detailed opinion. It might be sooner than a month. I've done got some opinions already on this knife. So we'll play this by ear. But this knife here is a Buck USA Light. A Buck Light. Lanyard hole. Notice that. But it's in great shape other than it's got a broke tip. And I don't know if I'm going to go the traditional way up to here, because the blade's going to be short, but I might just come down from here and form a point to keep the original edge here. But I really like the way the handle is on these knives. It's in great shape, but somebody must have been trying to pry and it just broke it right there. But I think I'm going to come down from the top. I really do. I really think I'm going to come down and meet right there at that corner. I think it'd be a good looking blade. I really do. Because if we try to come up like this, we're going to take a little bit more length off. And it's just going to look fat and short. I think if I come down, it'll give this knife an attitude. Let's see what this is going to look like. Okay, that's a good looking blade. I like it. I think if I'd have just come up, it would have just looked too short and fat if I'd have come up from the bottom. But I think it turned out really good. It's got the original edge on it. It's dull now. That's one thing about bucks. They dull fast, in my opinion, and sometimes they're really hard to sharpen. I'm not a real big fan of bucks, but that's just my opinion. But I really like these Buck Lights. But it's a good looking blade. It really is. Put me a lanyard here. It's gonna look good. I might just go ahead and give it a new edge too. Dress that up a little bit because it is really dull. I mean, dull. All right. I think she's sharp enough. What y'all think? Now we're just gonna try to tighten her up a little bit. Get her cleaned up some. Put a lanyard on there, and we'll be done with this one. It's pretty well clean. Got a little bit of surface rust on this lock back right here. Ain't nothing to it though. Just gonna hit it with a, see right there. Hit a few times. All right, we're gonna get it oiled up now. It's just really dry. Some good stuff. All right, we're gonna cut her a lanyard here. That looks about right there. That looks about right. Mama's Outback leather wax. I like to ball it up and move it around. Get it all on there. Get it good and waxed up. And go ahead and get you some stuff on your hands too. My fingers split this time of year. They get all dry. Good for your hands. It's got to be made out of old tallow, the animal fat, you know. It's got to be made out of that stuff. Okay guys, here she is, Buck 422X. The X is for the year 1990. So this has some age on it now, about 33 years old, but I really prefer these more than I do the Buck 110 because you ain't got to worry about scratching the brass or busting the wood handle. It's a little bit shorter than the Buck 110. I love the finger grooves, and I knew me coming from the top down would give this knife an attitude. Don't it look like a sharp? I love it. If I'd have come from the bottom up on this blade, as much of it was broken off, it would have looked short and fat. But now that blade gives this knife an attitude with character. The lanyard is just a good looking knife. Again, that X stands for the year it was produced, and then that is 1990. But the lock works good, no wobble in the blade whatsoever. And it's sharp, man, it's sharp. I gave it a new edge. I honed it up with my my work sharp sharpener. Love this thing. But yeah, good knife now. And look what I have. I knew I had one. And see there, Buck 422. It fits the Buck 422 and the Buck 442. I had it just laying in my knife bin. Check it out. And guys, I'm going to be wearing this knife real soon. Don't that look good? Man, see how that lanyard just gives it character. Well guys, thanks for tuning in today. I certainly appreciate all the support. I just thank y'all so much. And I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.